According to the Buddhist teachings, the law of karma states that for everything we do there is a result. Or we might have heard, for every cause there is an effect. And this effect could be good or bad, it all depends on the cause. So the law of karma is telling us that we are responsible for our actions in some form or fashion. Everything we do and the actions we take will cause some form of result. Therefore, if we do something nice for someone, our kindness has a positive effect the person receiving the good deed. But if we think bad thoughts about someone, our thinking will reflect in our actions, which could result in us doing something bad to that person. And when we dwell on good thoughts, we will treat others good, our kindness will have a positive effect on those around us. And if we do not take action on our thoughts, then our thoughts become feelings that are turned inward. These inward thoughts will stay buried deep inside our minds until we find a way to release them. While these thoughts are buried, we vibrate their effects to those around us. Therefore, in order to live in harmony with ourselves and the universe, we must live with positive energy. Isaac Newton once told us that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. And the Holy Bible states, we reap what we sow. These are examples of what we produce or cause to occur, we will get a result or effect. The law of karma tells us that if we live in a body consciousness, we are not pure in karma. Body consciousness is where we focus on desires like lust, anger, greed, ego, and other negative emotions. Sincere peace and harmony comes only from true karma. Some people have misunderstood the law of karma. They mistakenly believe that karma relates to fate or predestination. But this is not the case at all because karma refers to action. The action we refer to is not mechanical action, not unconscious or involuntary action. Based on the law of karma, it is our intentional acts from which we reap the results, either good or bad. There will be times when we think of something we want, but we don't receive it right away. This is because the universe does not know whether your thoughts are for good or for bad. So the universe may take time to figure it out first, then deliver what it thinks is closest to what you were thinking. But until the universe responds, the immediate thought could be either wholesome or unwholesome. The person will not know till the end result is accomplished. According to the law of karma, there are 3 doors of action. These 3 doors are body, speech, and mind. If we break these down into groups, we have 3 unwholesome actions we must avoid for each group. When we start with body, the 3 actions we must avoid are killing, stealing, and sexual misconduct. As for speech, we must avoid 4 unwholesome actions. These are lying, slander, harsh speech, and malicious gossip. In the final group, which is mind, there are 3 unwholesome actions to avoid. These are greed, anger, and delusion. If you avoid all 10 unwholesome actions, you will avoid the consequences that result from doing them. We avoid unwholesome actions because they only cause suffering on the recipients of those actions. This is why those who do bad things continue to do bad things. In their minds, this is all they know. All of us act and think in accordance with our thoughts. Act in harmony with them and you will do well. Act against them and you will suffer.